the energy stone is right here with
Love it.
Colleen's
Okay,
gallery.
we're gonna
I
keep
hope
on
you can
rolling
get this
here.
piece.
So
Great place
that's
to start, Colleen.
first of many beautiful things to be talking about tonight. By the way, I'm being told that already our weekly deal drop, ladies, this ring is beyond. It is beyond. I've never, and as Renee said, we've been bringing you beautiful Herkimer jewelry on HSN for 15 years. I have never seen anything like what we get to do as a weekly deal drop. This is actually better than a Today Special. It will be coming up in Trilliant or Emerald. Do not miss it. The matching pendant is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. We have it in Emerald cut and Trilliant cut, the matching pendant. That's like a 19-karat stone. It's unbelievable. So stay tuned. We'll talk about those in just a little while. Right now, gee, this is pretty. This bracelet, this is a little bit of a departure from what we see in Herkimer because this is this looks like vintage. This looks like an antique ring, and then there's a matching bracelet that works back to this, Renee. This is just lovely. Look at that. And you have all of your, now these are all faceted stones, or there's some, are they all calibrated in this piece?
These are all calibrated.
Okay.
You know, there's a significant, you know, reset button, Colleen and ladies with jewelry. You know, everyone wants some clean lines, but they want a fresh look and they want some simple design that will give it a pop. And that's what this ring and the bracelet does. You know, we talk a lot of, Colleen, about all the shows that we go to around the world, right? You know, Tucson's funky and Hong Kong is just gorgeous and Japan is conservative. But when we take a look at the Italian shows, it really is all about the finish. And you mentioned vintage and you mentioned Italian, Colleen. This is inspired by a vintage collector and designer in Italy.
Yeah.
She did design this. It's very vintage inspired, but these are surrounded as well with some topaz. And you know, Herkimers play well with so many different stones and it also plays well with topaz. You know, it amplifies, it magnifies other stones. But most of these, 90% of these are Herkimers. In the ring itself, there's close to 0.7 carats. And I believe the bracelets are close to 6.5.
Wow.
Depending upon the size, it's small, medium, and large.
So pretty.
The small will fit up to 6.8, and the medium is 7, and it goes up to 7.4, ladies. For those of you with a little bit of a larger wrist, or you want to wear it a little bit higher on your arm.
It would make a
But
beautiful
very
wedding
limited.
band. Don't you think it would make a beautiful wedding band?
I do. And, you know, I'm going to be traveling to Europe in a couple of weeks, and I'll be taking my wedding band off and putting on some of our Herkimers. And I will be utilizing this as my wedding band with my diamond. I do love it, but, you know, you can wear it in isolation. Doesn't have to be a diamond wedding band, ladies. This can be something that you wear on your pinky, you wear on your forefinger. This is something that you can wear with any other parts of our line. It's a mix and match line, and this goes with so many of our distinctive lines. But this designer, an Italian vintage designer, this is a little bit different, Colleen, huh? It's a little bit different out of the box here with the bracelet as well as the ring.
So pretty. If you'd like to order, it's 845983. The crew did show you the item number for the matching bracelet. I can remind you of that. The matching cuff is item 849630. If you'd like to pick up the matching cuff, they are both still available. If you're just stopping by, it's a Herkimer Diamond Quartz special.